For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
BJP National President JP Nadda addressed the party workers in Siliguri, North Bengal on Monday. During his address, the BJP National President affirmed that contentious Citizenship Amendment Act will be implemented soon. Nadda asserted that execution of the CAA was delayed due to the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. As far as the CAA is concerned, it has already been passed in Parliament. All of you will get the benefits of Citizenship Amendment Act. We are committed to it. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, its implementation got delayed. But as the situation is slowly improving, the work has started. The rules are now being framed and CAA will be implemented very soon. Under this act, all the eligible people will definitely get Indian citizenship. We will be releasing the rules as and when the country is back on the COVID recovery path. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has time and again affirmed that she will not allow the implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act in West Bengal. This time the fight for power in Bengal promises to be a tough one, with Mamata Banerjee seeking the chief ministerial post for the third consecutive time. However, JP Nadda exuded confidence, claiming that BJP will form the next government in West Bengal. During his address, Nadda also accused Mamata Banerjee and her government of indulging in divide and rule politics in order to fulfill her own interest. On one hand, you have Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who works for the development for all, and on the other hand, you have West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who has employed the policy of divide and rule to serve TMC's political interests. Our philosophy is to take everyone along, but the philosophy of TMC divides the society, and that party indulges in the politics of vote bank during the elections. Mamata Banerjee government has deeply hurt and humiliated the Hindu community in the state. As elections are approaching, the TMC, sensing a backlash, has changed its tune and is now trying to lure people with all sorts of things. TMC MP Derek O'Brien reacted to JP Nadda's comments instantly and took subtle dig at the BJP. O'Brien said that this is not the time for politics in the state, while he also accused the ruling Saffron Party of dividing the people of this great nation. In the best traditions of our great state, Bengal, this is that time of the year which is not the occasion for politics or for bickering. This is the time for joy and sharing. This culture, this decency, is deeply enshrined in the ethos of every person who lives in Bengal. The irony is not lost when the president of the BJP talks about divide and rule. Over the last 6 years, your party has done everything it can to divide and rule the people of this great nation. West Bengal will go into polls in April-May next year, and Nadda's statement indicates Citizenship Amendment Act as a major poll plank of the BJP.